Hey there, tech enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of PC building as we unveil the top 5 best PC cases of 2024. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a PC enthusiast, the case you choose can make a huge difference in both aesthetics and functionality. Join us as we explore the ultimate cases that combine style, performance, and versatility. Kicking off our list at number 5, is the Corsair ICU 7000X RGB. With its spacious interior, tempered glass side panels, and customizable RGB lighting, this case is a showstopper in any setup. Equipped with ample room for high-end components and advanced cable management options, it's perfect for building a powerful gaming rig that looks as good as it performs. Next up at number 4, we have the NZXT H7 My10i. Known for its sleek and minimalist design, this case offers a perfect balance of style and functionality. With its tempered glass side panel, integrated RGB lighting, and intuitive cable management system, it's a favorite among PC builders looking to create a clean and professional-looking setup. Coming in at number 3 is the Fractal Design Meshify 2. With its high airflow design and mesh front panel, this case ensures optimal cooling for your components, even during intense gaming sessions. With its modular interior layout, easy-to-use features, and sleek Scandinavian design, it's perfect for both performance enthusiasts and first-time builders. Moving on to number 2 on our list, we have the Lian O11 Dynamic Mini. This compact case may be small in size, but it packs a punch when it comes to style and performance. With its dual-chamber design, tempered glass panels, and support for custom water cooling loops, it's perfect for building a high-end gaming PC that's both compact and powerful. And finally, the PC case topping our list as the best of 2024 is the Cooler Master Case H500p Mesh. With its aggressive design, customizable ARGB lighting, and excellent airflow, this case is a favorite among gamers and enthusiasts alike. With support for multiple radiator configurations, tool-free installation, and a spacious interior, it's the perfect canvas for building your dream PC. While these PC cases lead the pack in 2024, the world of PC building is constantly evolving. Whether you're looking for style, performance, or versatility, there's a case out there to suit every preference and budget. Thanks for joining us as we explored the top 5 best PC cases of 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content and updates on the latest hardware. Until next time.